National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Meade County in West Central South Dakota, East Central Pennington County in West Central South Dakota, until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northwest of Mayfield to 5 miles northwest of New Underwood to 3 miles southeast of Box Elder, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Local without indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will begin in Mayfield around 2:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Curling Lake around 2:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. New Underwood around 2:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Wicksville, Wasta, Owanka, and Northern Badlands National Park. This includes Interstate 90 in South Dakota between mile markers 69 and 109.